Hey everyone, want to create reports in Google Analytics? In this video, I'll show you how to build and customize reports to better understand your website data step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Next, select the website property you want to analyze from your Google Analytics dashboard. Now open the Reports ** section to view the standard reports already available in Google Analytics. Next, explore different report categories, such as *acquisition*, engagement*, monetization*, and user ** reports to find the data you need. To create a custom report, open the Explore * section and choose a report template that matches your goal. Now select the dimensions and metrics you want to analyze. You can choose information like traffic source, user activity, page views, conversions, and other important data points. Next, customize your report by adding filters, comparisons, and segments to focus on specific audiences or behaviors. Review your report results and adjust the settings until you get the insights you need. Finally, save your report and check it regularly to monitor website performance and make better decisions. And that's how to create reports in Google Analytics. With customized reports, you can understand your audience, track important metrics, and improve your website strategy using real data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.